Any good? Is it any good?
That is good.
Well, she ain't never had one. She probably thinks he's all like a donkey about 2 inches. Don't get excited, girls. Do not get excited.
Mum, you said you wanted a big cream on. I said, go on there.
Oh. Cream was it? Where is he?
Kitchen.
He's just getting the number 5 bus to come around the block. Go and check, Sue. I'll see you in about an hour.
Are we blowing it? Hey!
Nice crowd in tonight, Chris. Rose is taking her clothes off in a minute. You've seen it all before anyway, ex-mother-in-law.
I've seen it many times. She does shave.
I dream.
Who's our granddad?
I should now find out whether I'm still lying or not.
I was going to say that. It says changing variety of life. What I thought, Chris, we have 6 of them men at the back and do the full ones, and then we have 6 women. Yeah? Here he is. Wow. Yeah.
I want rock band.
La, 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 la. Story of her life, she's been waiting for years. She's only tried it 3 times. Alright. Right then, girls, can you, are you girls? Alright, any chance you just move yourselves over a bit? Come in a bit closer if you want to. Don't mind.
Chris, you've got a CD?
Is you sure? He's white. Alright.
I'm getting low.
What you drinking, Rose? What you drinking? Oh, lemonade.
He said he likes women with big tits.
Oh, I'm alright then, I'm in.
Rose ain't grown since you used to come up Borrowdale, you know.
Oh, just hold them up a bit further.
Watch all the women's faces though, can it? When he comes in, like, and he's la-di-da-di-da. They look like that,
Ah, I'll put this on my hook new oil. Oh.
If you're over 50, you ain't even allowed to look.
We need Mum's mask on now and say we're men.
Let it Rose. Over 50, don't even look. They shouldn't even think about it. Good cooked hot dinner.
I ain't being funny, but after 50, they don't do it today.
Well, I'm good after 50.
You would, if you man, I would.
3 of them. 3 of them.
You'll be still there at 97, you.
97, I won't be that long.
No.
I just had a cold
I
jab.
know, you only get to 18, that'll be it, stuffed it.
80 will do me.
Is that you, Jean?
Shut up, gay, it's only your birthday. They've listened to the T-Birds. Do you know what I mean?
Sing her a song, eh?
No.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. I'd use a shit for toothpaste, wash my face with a pubic hair. I bought no box for a keepsake that will company which is fair. My tongue can fertilizer red, my pricks in a private place. I mean, how can I say I love her when she's sitting on my toothpaste? They said I can say what I want, but I can't say the C word.
She don't like the C word.
Caterpillar. You know the one? I ain't said it. I said caterpillar. Country life butter. Yeah, the one that you close your eyes and I'll miss you. Tomorrow I'll kiss you. That's all we know.
I'm getting bored now. I've been paid. We might as well go home. I'm being funny. I've got magazines today.
I'll see you tomorrow night. Right, anybody coming to our charity night tomorrow?
Yeah, if anybody wants to come, it's 10